needle 5-thread overlock machine. Simultaneously performs sewing and overlocking, resulting in durable and flexible seams. Ideal for materials such as knit fabrics and other high-stretch textiles due to the high elasticity of the seam structure. Features a crankshaft main shaft that drives the entire mechanism. Equipped with a differential feed system allowing different feed rates for the 2 feed dogs, adaptable for various fabric types, adjustable seam width through the trimming knife position, interchangeable use of sewing, and overlock needles enhances ease of operation. 1.5 Fabric cutting machine. Fabric is layered on a cutting table and the machine is moved along the desired cutting path. The blade performs a vertical reciprocating motion, while the operator manually guides the machine. Most commonly used is the hand-pushed fabric cutter, which includes an automatic knife sharpening mechanism, suitable for cutting various material thicknesses from light to heavy fabrics. The cutting knife is fixed to a sliding mechanism driven directly by a motor through a crank slider system. 1.4 Buttonhole machine. A semi-automatic, specialized machine for creating flat-end buttonholes on various garment materials using lock stitches. Automatically performs a complete buttonhole cycle based on predefined settings, stitch type, and stitch count. Stops automatically after reaching the required number of stitches per buttonhole. Cycle restart is initiated manually by the operator via a foot pedal. Adjustable buttonhole size and stitch count per hole through suitable mechanisms. Automatic thread trimming after product removal. Safety features include prevention of knife cutting if thread breaks mid-process, locking the fabric clamp during operation, emergency stop and buttonhole continuation functions, optional blade disengagement, capable of creating round and straight buttonholes, straight, recessed or raised, round, with or without eyelets or bar tacks. Basic characteristics of sewing machines and occupational safety. 1.1 Lock stitch sewing machine. A single needle lock stitch machine is a high-speed multi-purpose type that produces lock stitch seams. Due to the firm and non-elastic nature of the lock stitch, it is commonly used for sewing low-stretch materials. The machine supports both forward and reverse stitching with the same feed length, allowing for back stitching at both ends of the seam to strengthen it and prevent unraveling. Equipped with an automatic oil pumping system to ensure smooth operation and machine longevity. 1.3 Button sewing machine. A specialized machine for attaching flat buttons or fastening parts to garment surfaces. Flat buttons are defined as having a rectangular or similarly shaped cross-section with buttonholes perpendicular to the button surface.